Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to thank for the committee that inviting me to present my article entitled Genetical Status of Relatedness between Sambori and Teta Dialect spoken in Bima Regency, West Nusa Tenggara, Indonesia. I'm Ibri Budasi and my partner is Sri Indriani from the faculties of Language and Art Universitas Pendidikan Ganesha, Singaraja, Bali. Let me give you overview first about this study. Sambori and Teta Isolek are spoken by their speech community who live at Lampitu district, Bima Regency, Indonesia. Up to now, their status of language classification is not yet clear, whether as two different languages or as two different dialects. Local people mention that Sambori Teta are language which is so different from other languages spoken in this region Z. And until now, no study done by expert whether the classification of these two is like as language or as different dialect. Therefore, the aim of writing this article is that to describe the status of their language classification, to describe their uniting and differentiating phonological features, and describe their uniting and differentiating lexical features. The method that we use in this study is a comparative method, as suggested by Bloomfield. Whenever we compare two isolate or two languages, this comparative method is usually used. Then the classification of the isolate can be determined later on. Uh, the the analysis used is that it's obtained data were analyzed descriptively using lexicostatistic and language classification suggested by Suarez. The uniting and the differentiating features were qualitatively determined using the description of their phonological and lexical similarities and of the two isolex. Let me explain the finding of the study. First, the status of the two isolect are two different dialects of the same language spoken in Bima Regency. Second, the uniting phonological features show that both of them have the same number of vowel, that is vowel A, E, U, A, O, and E. The other one is the two isolect has the same diphthong, and the diphthong exists are au, a, ia, I, a, and ua. The same consonants also occur in both isolect, that is up, of, of, j, o, an, uk, us, yich, and were. Both isolate possess cluster of two M blend, that is MP and MB, and three N blend, ND, NT, and NG, and also it has KB cluster. And phonologically, the study found that Sambori dialect doesn't possess KL and NG cluster, while Theta isolate, Theta dialect has this cluster. I mean, has KL and NG cluster. In terms of lexical uniting differentiating linguistic patterns, based on Swadesh word list, which consists of 200 words, the lexical uniting features show that the two dialects have 98% cognates, and 2% of their lexical features are in different form. If we relate this figure, I mean, if we relate the figure of 98%, it's mean that this figure is in between 81% to 100%. And if we check in Swedish language classification, so the category of the language classification, if it is 98%, so it is in two dialect relationship. Yeah, I mean two dialect relationship. It's mean that Teta and Sambori are actually one language of different dialect or different dialect of the same language. So that is the conclusion of the study. So I hope it is clear for you, and that is what I can explain the status of the two Isolec as two different dialects of the same language in Samori and Theta villages spoken. Yeah, thank you very much.